Welcome everyone. Question on inorganic chemistry. The product of the reaction is CaC2 plus N2 product. Choices are A. CaN2, B. CaH2, C. CaNCN, D. CaC2N2. Answer is C. CaNCN. The complete balance equation of this reaction is CaC2 plus N2 to CaNCN plus C. CaNCN is called nitrolim or calcium cyanamide. It is used as a fertilizer. Thank you for watching this video.